Welcome to KLR, the Photo Guru YouTube channel. This is KL Raja Ponsing. When you are shooting people, why should you focus on the eyes? There are three reasons why you are focusing on the eyes. The first reason is the eye has got a maximum contrast, the black and white, and your camera's autofocus system is perfectly able to manage or to nail the focus of the subject when you are aiming at the eye. When you select a single point focus and keep it against the eye, the single point focus is able to effectively take the contrast and fix the focus without any problem, and your focus problem is 100% solved because eye has got a maximum contrast. This is a technical reason why you are focusing on the eyes. The second point is where you are trying to understand about the spread of the depth of field to get the entire face sharp in a picture. The face, the nose is the nearest point and the ears is the farthest point. So if you try to focus on the nose, maybe the ears might go out of focus. When you focus on the ears, definitely the nose and the eyes will go out of focus. So you focus on the eyes, which is approximately 1/3 distance from the entire distance of the face from nose to the ears. Divide the distance between the nose and the ears into 3 parts and focus on the end of the first part. That is what we call it as focus on the 1/3 distance of the subject, so that you are able to get the depth of field effectively covering the front portion and also the back portion. This is because the depth of field is not spreading equally from the particular point of focus. If you focus on the eyes, it is not spreading equally, rather it focuses unequally. The front it is less, the back it is more. So your depth of field has to be managed very carefully on 1/3 basis. For that reason, you are focusing on the eyes. The third point is very interesting. It is not a technical point. It is basically a non-technical and emotional point. You know that eyes are the windows of the soul. So whatever a person thinks inside, you'll be able to see that through their eyes. So eyes are very expressive. They are very emotional. And whenever you keep the focus on the eyes, you don't miss that expression of the person. Rather, your camera sees that person's inner self apart from the outer self also. So you are able to see the external appearance. Normally, photography has been done for that. But when you're shooting people, it is something more than that. More than their dresses, more than their external appearances. What is more important is their expression, their emotions at that point of a time. That is very important. That you will be able to get only when you keep the focus onto the eyes. This is the third non-technical reason as why one should focus on people's eyes to get the shot perfectly right. So there are 3 reasons we saw as why you should focus on the human eyes. The first 2 are technical reasons and the last one is the emotional reason. Please understand this and keep the focus always on the people's eyes so that your portraits are very punching and it is more powerful in terms of photography. And keep doing this for all kind of a portraits, whether it's going to be a street portrait or a studio portrait or maybe a casual family pictures or a group pictures or maybe a friends group or maybe an office group. Focusing on the eyes is for most important, and that actually gives you the overall feel so that the picture becomes more powerful. So keep practicing focusing on the eyes. If you find this information useful, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel KLR the Photo Guru. Press the bell button for the updates. I'll catch up with you similar kind of videos in future. Take care.